Hey guys, today let's make an eggless whole wheat banana bread with chocolate chips. Since it does not use any maida, this is definitely a healthier option you would like to consider. And yet it has turned out so soft and spongy. So let's begin making it. Take two big bananas which are ripe enough and cut them into small pieces. Instead of mashing, we'll be blending everything in a blender so that it would be easier for us to mix. Transfer all the pieces into the mixer or a blender. Add 3/4 cup sugar, half cup of oil, half cup of milk. Blend it all together. Next, take a seiver and add 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, that is atta, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda, and sieve it all together. Next, start mixing the flour using the cut and fold method as it is shown in the video. Now that the batter is well mixed, let's add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and mix it again. Take your baking pan, place a parchment paper and brush oil again on top of it. Next, pour your batter and add some more chocolate chips on the top. Bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And it's ready. It stays good for 2 to 3 days without the refrigerator. Please try this recipe and let us know in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you and see you in the next video.